All right, I have an article here. It's a local article and it reads Implanted Microchip to Replace Credit Cards. Sweden, CBS. Many of us have a wallet full of plastic cards. Credit cards, travel cards, membership card for fitness center, and so on. It can be difficult to keep track of all the cards, so thousands of Swedes have replaced one or more of the cards with a microchip, which has been shot under the skin in their hand. The chip is about the same size as one of the legs on a normal plug, and you choose yourself where you want the chip to be put. Typically, it is placed between the forefinger and the thumb, where you have a little slack skin. The chip can, in principle, replace all the cards you want. So, just as the article reads, implanted microchip to replace credit cards. And the reason why they put that in the article is, well, evidently Esau wants to actually chip the masses. This isn't going to just be in Sweden. This is going to be here in America as well, and wherever else this chip is implemented at. All right? And with this chip, once implanted inside of you, you can't turn back, you can't repent. Once this chip is inside you, Esau can track you. Esau can change your mood swings. Esau can even shut off your chip by making you not exist no more. Or they could shut off your chip and actually kill you. Okay? Shut your body down. So that's the times we're in right now. The time of this RFID chip. And, it surprised me. I had saw this article the day it came out. But now, today is the 27th. So this article came out yesterday. And I thought it was, interesting how in a local article here in my city, they're talking about this. So it's showing you that the chip is close. It's already here, but it's close as in you'll see more people, around you having that chip to the point of it even being a must have or you die. So, we have to be aware and know that these things are happening around us because Esau is showing you in movies. He's showing you in news articles. He's showing you through truthers. He's showing you through many different things, video games and different things as such. So that is one of the last and final prophecies. And we know once the chip is being brought up at the level it is, that it's coming to a point where it has to be implemented. Okay? It's not going to be a choice forever. Right now, it's a choice. It's something that people will go to for convenience. But eventually, it would have to be either you have the chip or you can't buy, sell, or trade. And if you can't buy, sell, or trade, evidently you can't work, you can't eat, you can't do certain things. So it's going to take the spirit of Yahweh Ba'Shem Yahweh Shai to not take that chip. It's going to take a lot of faith. And we suffer now, but we're going to suffer even more in them days. But the beautiful thing is, when you suffer in them days, you're not going to be judged. Oh, you can't find a job. Oh, you ain't got no money. Because everybody is going to be on the same playing field. But nevertheless, I just wanted to bring out this article right quick. And, it just kind of surprised me to see this as a local topic, because that is the times that we're in. Eventually this microchip will replace all credit cards, and eventually will be something that Esau will force upon us. Okay, so Kahala Yahweh Ba'Shem Yahweh Shai Ba'Hashem Wa'Rakakodash. Double honors to the elders and the apostles of Great Millstone. Salutations to all you true sincere brethren out there pushing out this purified truth. Shalom.